We break to bring you this special announcement. Are you tired of seeing your mongrel dogs going through garbage? Tired of him running under your house bottom for shelter? Are you tired of having random individuals stoning your dogs? Well, this is a perfect opportunity for you. Canada is having a once-in-lifetime opportunities for your dog to experience better living conditions. All you have to do is get his passport and visa ready. Pack a small suitcase, and after 5 years, upon good behavior, the dog will be able to file for its owner. Do not let this opportunity pass you.
Come in, sir.
Good afternoon, sir.
Have a seat, sir. Does it good afternoon to you?
Yes.
And how can I help you, sir?
Sir, I just come to get a visa for my dog.
Okay. And what is the name of your dog?
Bingo.
Bingo?
Yes, sir.
How old is Bingo?
3 years old, sir.
Does Bingo have any remaining relative?
Yes, sir.
Okay, let me see. What is the name of the relatives? One at a time.
Fox and tiger.
Fox and Tiger.
Yes, sir.
What year did Fox born?
Well, I don't know, sir. I don't know.
You come for a visa and you don't know nothing?
I want to know about Bingo, sir.
Okay. Bingo.
BINGO, sir.
I can see that you can spell.
A little bit, sir. A little bit.
Okay. Has Bingo ever bite anybody before?
No, but Bingo back.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. As I can see here, sir, Bingo is in a good condition. Mr. Cole, I'm going to grant you this visa so that Bingo can fly to Canada. This is now ready. Your Bingo can receive his personal care and he will be taken care of. Okay, Mr. Cole, you can have yourself a nice evening.
Yes, sir.
Wish you and the dog the best of luck.
Thank you very much, sir.
You're welcome.
Okay.
Next person.
Suzy! Suzy! You walk one and know. That boss. Look how one. Acha, that boss. Finally get the visa.
My visa right now, I'm jealous.
Jealous? I jealous? Have I dog? Dog got Canada? So you're going. I'll pack your bag and get you ready. If I don't know, if not today, the latest by your morning. Understand? But you have to go away. I'm going to deal with that now.
Right now, I still can't believe that I get visa.
So just go and do what I said, man.
Me rotted. Me almost forgot to eat socks. What they cool now, you put them in the freezer.
I eat that, right? You say if I eat that?
Yeah, man, we done pack it back long time, man.
Alright, you got change off. And then when we forward, we got beat off the dog and thing. I got call tax my tax oil, me start mode. We soon forward.
Where you going, sister? What you say? Which Bingo you talk? The dog? Bingo the dog get visa? Nah man, you lie man. I want help to beat him. You come, cause it's so now way but you come. Walk forward.
Should I go to my car fire?
Yeah. Okay. Water. Hold up. Yes. Yes. Sorry, you're going on, man. Couldn't believe me here. I feel fresh. You understand? Oh, man. Oh, God, man. Go what up here, the creature. Yes. Don't worry. Take time to do it. Flow the water. Yes. Bingo. Boss way. The ton billionaire. And you say a penny then I go spend it on bounty killer. Hey! Yo, that's what I like when the dog them elevate out of this struggle, you know, man. That's what I like when the dog them elevate. Alright, hold up on the water. Hold up on the water there. Don't wash it. Yeah, man, that's someone. The dog them move out of the slum. You understand? Yo, I really think you know what?
Brushing teeth too.
Can't brush your teeth and I be in by you. What do you, man? Yo, you should have been by the way, you know. Because I know you can't manage him. That's why I'm there, so.
That's why I call you, because you're stronger than me.
So, when am I going?
But early this evening or tomorrow morning?
Early this evening or tomorrow morning? Early this evening or late this evening?
Late this
Late
evening. My
this
bad,
evening,
my bad, my bad.
All
Or
right.
tomorrow morning.
Or tomorrow morning. Don't worry yourself. Alright.
Alright. One
I'm
thing,
back to play and wash him, man.
one thing for your sister Bex, you know, dog get visa for him.
So, man, you never know who arrive next, you know. But listen, I don't want you to get much money. You understand? Alright, come on, wash up.
Wash up now.
Wash it, wash. Yes. Wash up. Wash.
Shut up in some more.
Alright. Alright. Alright, bingo.
You have to spell the name when you go over there, no? Spell the name, tell him.
B. Yeah, repeat. B.
Say it after that.
N. G. O. Bingo. Hey, bingo. Yo, I know me what me excited, you know, brother. I know me what me excited. Cause at the first in the universe, this happened. And bingo, you know, with a humble dog one morning. If you don't get no food, you go sleep.
Why? Fire to me, yeah? Fire to me.
Yeah, man. Alright.
Brush him down now, brush him down.
I'm gonna wash off the tail, man. What there?
Yeah. In my lap, no.
Yes.
You know, like you know, say my boy.
Yeah, come on, come back, come on, yo, come back. There you go. Suppose bingo gone, you know. You have to catch him back, you know. And one chance, you know. I'm taking the towel. I grew up to get the towel. He disappear. You know, see him.
So you couldn't catch him?
Catch him and the dog and the belly corner and the groans and them see shut off. Shoom. You know, see him.
Why not you let
Yo,
yo, why not you let it go down, man? Yo, Alice.
Come on, man, I want you. Ja.
Oh, no. You don't get bingo.
Yeah, get me. Yeah, get the family of your boy want to complain like him face and me let
Here
him
I
have
know.
purpose.
I just want to know if you got the dog, man. You should have called me, man.
Him alright, him say no get the dog in, but me sure him can't catch at the dog.
You know, say man, the dog are not friend, because the dog kind of not too like him like that. Sure.
I don't want to know. I'm just go and build back and wait. Can I say him just build back and wait till him come back with the dog? Cause him say he can't get the dog. You see me?
Let me go call him.
Well, I'll call him. See if you find the dog. You just can't know.
See him here. Let me say big and home, please.
So the dog will say okay.
No, I couldn't catch him. Running down, I couldn't catch him. He passed around me.
Pass it on. You know that. You never have to tell me that. And my two don't like each other, you know, so you never have to work.
I been going to send me this.
You realize I wouldn't have beard with that free line. How are yourself?
But, my friend I'm all him. You know, see all him? Eh? I send me out, you know. Send me out. And by the time I come with the towel, he don't get length already, I go to the store. What me do? Eh?
You see how him?
No, but he have 2 foot, and he have 4. So who faster? Eh?
How smart? How smart?
Yo. Yeah, next one. Yes, he's smarter than me. Yes, he's smarter than me. You know, sir, I have a great feeling, sir. Are you make your brother let go dog? You make your brother let go dog. In that first place, you never like like when Mr. say it dog have get visa for go Canada, yo. Ayo.
Here right now, they work like a bad man, me. I'm a bad man, me. I'm a bad man.
What if I know, brother? Let me see man help you be the dog. Because I say me no help you be the dog, you know. Because you could be the dog.
Ayo.
So me help you be the dog, and I don't want the dog off fine.
You can't go and talk, man. You can't go and talk. Right now, I think yo.
Don't worry yourself.
No, you don't
get
problem,
back the
man.
dog. Because you can't catch the dog.
So,
Don't make him go inside that go run. Don't make him go.
not touch me, man. You. Not touch me, man. Yo, not touch me, that. Not touch me, that.
Now making forward.
Yo.
Catch him, you know. Catch him. Come on, man. I'm Musa. Oh, God, man. We're not here, no, man. Come on, man. Hey. We have to see, you know. Come on the back. You can't back and sit there, come on. You need to call the man already.
Yes,
thing there. You're a good man. What's that, chat? Hey. Hey. I'm that.
Sit over there.
Alright. They are going, man. They are going. Bingo, cool bingo, man. Up in the car. Bingo know what things set down. Hey, bingo. Hey, come on, bingo. Alright, watch out. If you start bingo uncomfortable, you will try to back you.
Put it back in there for the color airport. Yeah.
Give me the money.
Only that black and back. The black and back.
Now bingo with Chabi on the fire.
Alright. Black over there, airport now.
Alright people, you don't know say I talk up boss in that place, you see me? So we want to big up all the people that may support the thing, you see it? This idea was Mr. Cole ideas in a live, him talk about it, you see me? So I just ride upon it, and that is the end result, you see it? Blessings to all the people that will just join the team. Enough respect, continue to like, share, you see me? And subscribe. Blessings. Have a nice day. Yeah.